Are you sick of having a separate mouse for each of your computers? Do you want something that would streamline your workflow across multiple computers? Well, Barrier is an app that would allow you to control multiple PCs using the same mouse. If moving a cursor or mouse pointer between computers is that easy, so should be copying and pasting. With Barrier, you can copy the text or image from one screen to another in real time.
You can also use the keyboard of the service computer to control the client's screen.
What if you have a Windows PC and a MacBook? Can you still use this software on both? Yes, you can. This app gives you flexibility to connect multiple devices with different operating systems. This open source tool is fairly easy to install and supports Windows, Linux, and macOS. If you're looking to connect your PC to a Mac for free, Barrier is the best solution. Also, since this is an open source project, you can tweak the program to your needs if you're into programming.
Step 1. Installing Barrier. Go to the link in the description and scroll down and click Releases. Scroll down and download the exe file for the version 2.3.4 as the latest version has a bug. After it has downloaded, open the file. Click More Info and then Run Anyway. Go through the installation process. Now head over to your other device. Again, go to the description, then Releases, and if you're on Windows, download the 2.3.4 version, but if you're on Mac, you can download the latest version. Make sure you download the DMG file if you're on Mac. After downloading, open the file and then open the application. If the application does not open, close the pop-up and try again. There should be an option to open it anyway. On Mac, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Accessibility, and turn Barrier on. This makes sure Barrier has the right permissions to run properly. Important things to know. For Barrier, there are two things you need to know. There is a server computer and a client computer. You can choose which computer is the server and which computer is the client. The client computer uses the server's mouse and keyboard. The server computer cannot use the client's mouse and keyboard. For example, if you want to use your Windows computer mouse to share between your Mac, your Windows computer would need to be configured as the server and your Mac as the client. Step 2. Configuring the client. On your server computer, remember the IP address of it. On your client computer, type in the IP address of your server computer. In the menu bar at the top, click Barrier, then Change Settings. Change the screen name to something simpler, preferably a name without special characters. Make sure to turn off Enable SSL. Click OK. Step 3. Configuring the server. Click on Configure Server and pull a new computer icon from the top right to whichever side of your computer it is on your desk. Name the computer to the name of your client computer and click OK. To save the configuration, click Barrier, then Save Configuration. Then click Barrier again and then change the settings. Turn off Enable SSL. Now click Start. It should say Barrier is running. On the client computer, click Start as well. If it says Barrier is starting, it means it's not working. Here is a demo of Barrier. You can also use the keyboard of the service computer to control the client's screen.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.